Hi, I have an appointment at 4 p.m.
Hello, ma'am. Welcome. Yes, please come.
Thank you, the place looks lovely.
Thank you so much. Please have a seat.
I really needed this break today.
That's great. What service would you like?
I want a haircut and maybe a hair spa.
Sure. Any specific style in mind?
Not exactly, but I want something fresh.
Your hair is quite long and healthy.
Yes, but it feels very dull these days.
Don't worry, we'll make it look amazing.
I trust you with that.
Do you want to keep the length or go shorter?
Maybe a little shorter, not too much.
Alright, I suggest soft layers.
That sounds nice.
It will also add volume to your hair.
That's exactly what I need.
Have you colored your hair before?
No, I've never tried it.
Would you like to try a subtle shade?
I'm a bit scared of coloring.
Don't worry, we use very safe products.
Maybe next time, not today.
No problem, we can keep it natural.
Yes, let's do that for now.
I'll start with a hair wash first.
Sure, the water temperature is perfect.
Let me know if you feel uncomfortable.
No, it feels just right.
Glad you're comfortable.
This feels so relaxing.
That's the idea. Just enjoy.
I really needed this after a long week.
We all deserve some self care.
Absolutely. I hardly get time for myself.
You should try to take out some me time.
Yes, I'll try to do that more often.
Now, I'll apply the hair spa cream.
Okay? It smells really nice.
It's very nourishing for dry hair.
My hair already feels softer.
That's good to hear.
Do you recommend any home care routine?
Yes, oil your hair once a week.
I'll start doing that.
Also, avoid too much heat styling.
Yes, I use a straightener sometimes.
Try to reduce that if possible.
I will keep that in mind.
Now, let's move to the haircut.
Yes, I'm excited.
I'll just trim the ends first.
Okay, please don't cut too much.
Don't worry, I'll be careful.
Thank you.
Your hair texture is really good.
Thanks. I try to maintain it.
The layers are shaping up nicely.
I can already see the difference.
Let me just style it a little.
Sure,
Do you like a straight or wavy finish?
slight waves would be nice.
Perfect. That will suit your face.
I'm excited to see the final look.
Almost done.
I love it. It looks so fresh.
I'm glad you liked it.
It feels so light and bouncy.
That's the magic of a good haircut.
Thank you so much. I feel so confident now.
You're most welcome.
I'll definitely come again.
We'll be happy to have you again.
Have a great day.
You too. Take care.